Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll talk about something very important, good manufacturing practices, or GMP. Let's understand all of this step by step. What is GMP? GMP stands for Good Manufacturing Practices. It is a system of regulations, codes, and guidelines that ensure pharmaceutical products are consistently produced and controlled according to quality standards. Simply put, GMP is about doing things the right way, every time. It covers everything from raw materials, equipment, and environment to personnel training, documentation, and packaging. It's not just about following rules, it's about protecting patient safety by making sure every tablet, injection, or capsule is made with care and consistency. Why is GMP important? Pharmaceutical products are not like other consumer goods. They directly affect human health. Even a small mistake can lead to serious consequences like contamination, incorrect dosage, or ineffective medicine. That's why GMP ensures product quality remains consistent, patient safety is protected, manufacturers comply with national and international regulations, market reputation is maintained. In short, GMP builds trust between companies, healthcare professionals, and patients. Key principles of GMP. Let's go through the key principles of GMP. 1. Quality management. There must be a strong quality management system. Every step from development to distribution should be planned and monitored. 2. Hygiene and cleanliness. Manufacturing areas must be clean, controlled, and free from contamination. 3. Controlled environment. Temperature, humidity, and air pressure are carefully monitored, especially in sterile areas. 4. Personnel training. Everyone must be properly trained and qualified to perform their job correctly. 5. Equipment and facilities. Equipment should be well maintained, calibrated, and suitable for its purpose. 6. Documentation. If it's not written down, it didn't happen. Every batch, every process, and every test must be properly recorded. 7. Validation and qualification. All processes must be validated to ensure they consistently produce the desired result. 8. Complaints and recall. Any complaint or defect should be investigated quickly, and defective products must be recalled immediately. GMP guidelines around the world. GMP is a global standard, but it's implemented under different agencies in different countries. For example, WHO GMP, used by many developing countries, US FDA CGMP, in the United States, EU GMP, in Europe, MHRA, in the UK, Schedule M, India, Indian GMP guideline under the Drugs and Cosmetics Act. Although the wording may differ, the core principles remain the same: product quality, safety, and consistency. GMP in daily pharma operations. In a pharmaceutical plant, GMP is everywhere. In production, it ensures machines are clean and processes are followed. In quality control, it ensures samples are properly tested and results recorded. In packaging, it ensures correct labeling and batch coding. And in warehouse, it ensures proper storage conditions are maintained. So, GMP is not a department. It's a culture of quality that every employee must follow. What happens when GMP is ignored? When GMP is not followed, the consequences can be serious. Regulatory agencies may issue warning letters or product recalls. Companies can lose their manufacturing license, and most importantly, patients may suffer due to poor quality medicines. That's why compliance is not optional. It's mandatory for every pharma manufacturer. The future of GMP, with new technologies like digitalization, AI, and data integrity systems, GMP is evolving into what's known as CGMP, Current Good Manufacturing Practices. This means continuous improvement, always updating practices to match current scientific and technological standards. Final thoughts. So, next time you see the term GMP compliant on a medicine package, remember, it's not just a label. It represents thousands of checks, validations, and responsibilities taken by the pharma team to ensure patient safety. GMP is the heart of pharmaceutical manufacturing. Without it, quality and trust simply cannot exist. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to PharmaceuticalManufacturing for more pharma knowledge and industry insights. Thanks for watching.